The world today is changing at an unprecedented pace. The methods and strategies that guaranteed success yesterday have become obsolete today. Technology has taken a massive leap forward, completely transforming the way humans work, think, and discover new opportunities. The driving force behind this revolution is artificial intelligence. Many people are terrified of this shift. They fear that AI will steal their jobs, destroy their businesses, and make human effort irrelevant. But the truth is, AI is not here to replace humans. It is here to empower those who are willing to adapt. In the times ahead, AI won't replace you. Rather, a human who knows how to leverage AI will replace you. If you want to future-proof your career, stand out in your industry, and evolve with time, you must stop viewing AI as a threat and start using it as your ultimate leverage. Artificial intelligence is no longer just for scientists or software engineers. It is for everyone, regardless of your field. Whether you are an educator, a content creator, an entrepreneur, or a student, AI can multiply your speed and efficiency tenfold. First, it is crucial to understand what using AI effectively really means. AI is not just a computer program that answers questions. It is a collaborative assistant that translates your vision into reality. Tasks that once took days or hours can now be accomplished in mere minutes. If you are a creator, you can turn a raw concept into a full script instantly. If you work with data and analytics, AI can break down complex problems in seconds. Therefore, the ultimate skill today is not just working hard, but working smart. Master prompt engineering, the art of giving precise and effective instructions to AI, is becoming one of the most critical skills of this era. Knowing how to ask the right questions and guide AI to produce quality outcomes elevates your capabilities far beyond average limits. For anyone aiming to save time, energy, and resources, mastering AI skills is no longer optional. It is essential. Those who remain stuck in traditional ways and ignore this massive wave of technology will quietly be left behind. On the other hand, those who start building these skills today will see their careers reach entirely new heights. We need to eliminate the fear within us. This is not a time to be afraid. It is a time to step forward and learn. When electricity was first introduced, people feared it. When computers arrived, many believed human workers would become obsolete. Yet every technological shift has rewarded those who embrace change early. You have an incredible opportunity right in front of you. Through your smartphone and laptop, you have direct access to the most advanced tools in human history. A single step, a commitment to learn, can completely alter the trajectory of your life. Set aside a little time every day to master new AI workflows. Accelerate your productivity. Train your mind to think bigger, and make technology your greatest asset. Remember, the future belongs to those who learn continuously, adapt swiftly, and march in step with modern times. You possess all the potential required to succeed in this changing world. Value your time, upgrade your skills, and make a fresh start today. Greatness awaits those who prepare starting right now.